Unraveling the mystery of Fathom Out. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the depths of English expressions to uncover the meaning and usage of a particularly intriguing phrase, fathom out. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding such expressions is key to sounding like a native speaker. So let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Fathom out is a phrasal verb that carries the essence of understanding something after much thought. It originates from the term fathom, which is a unit of measurement used to measure the depth of water. Metaphorically speaking, when you fathom out something, you measure and understand the depth of a problem or a complex situation. Examples in sentences: I need some time to fathom out the reasons behind the recent changes in the company's policy. She fathomed out the solution to the puzzle after pondering over it for hours. Context matters. Fathom out is most appropriately used in contexts where deep understanding or discovery is involved. It implies that effort and mental work are required to grasp the subject matter. Tips for using fathom out. 1. Think of complexity. Use it when referring to something not immediately obvious or straightforward. 2. Consider the alternatives. Figure out or work out can often be used interchangeably with fathom out, depending on the formality and context. 3. Mind the audience. Fathom out may sound a bit more formal or literary, so tailor it to suit your audience. It's not just about understanding. Fathom out isn't just about simple understanding. It conveys a sense of delving into and coming to grips with the complexities of an issue. Emotional and intellectual insight. This phrase can also suggest an emotional or intellectual insight that goes beyond just solving a problem. It can mean coming to understand the whys and hows of a situation or a person's behavior. I hope this exploration helps you fathom out not just the meaning of the phrase but also its place in the rich tapestry of the English language. Remember, every phrase you master adds color and depth to your conversations, just like strokes of a brush on a canvas. Keep learning and keep expressing, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, and goodbye for now.